Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add quick action in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to create quick action, we will need first to go to our lightning bolt. So you will need just to click here on the setup menu, and from there you will need just to click on setup. Then it will take us to this page, and now we need just to go to Object Manager. So instead of searching for it, you can just go to the quick find and search for the Object Manager. So here, Object Manager, and it's already have been here. Then you will need just to choose the object that you want to create quick action for. In my case, I will just go for contact, and I'm going to click, and from here you will need just to click to choose the buttons. So this is my object manager, and now I'm just going to button links interactions, and from here I will need to create new action. By clicking on new action, I can create a record, for example, for this action. So it will this action would create a record, and I can target an object. So we can choose whatever we like here, and also we will need just to choose the target object. For example, it can be an account, contact, relationship, or task, or whatever. So let's just make it an event, for example, and from here you can label it whatever you want. For example, my action, and this is the name. Description is not necessary, and basically we will need now just to create a click on save. So now I'm just going to click on save, and basically now we will have our action. So I'm going to click on save, and now I will just, so you will need just to choose the layout for your action. You can have the layout however you like. I will just click on save now, and basically now we can search for our action, and then we can start using it. So basically let's just go to home, and for example search for my action, and normally it should have been here. And basically now you will need just to go to the objects that you have added action for. In our case, we added it to contact. And from here in the actions, normally if you have set up the page layout correctly, you will need just to find it here. Since I just saved, I want to have my quick action there. So you will need just to find it here, and you can start using it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.